Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get just the right amount of spacing between the different elements and the contents of your email templates and your email campaigns without having to use any weird or wacky workarounds. Instead, we're going to be using the spacer element inside of the email builder. And this is really important because when you're creating emails, you obviously want them to look and feel nice and at least easy to read. And if all the contents feels really close and cramped together, then it's not going to come across that way. So by adding just a little bit of extra breathing room, it can completely transform the experience for your reader when it comes to actually opening and reading your email. It can really help in terms of the design. So what we're going to do is go to marketing on the left-hand side and then go to emails at the top of the screen. Here you can go to either campaigns or templates. If you want to create a reusable template that you can use inside of your workflows and everything as well, then go to templates. But for this example, I'm just creating a new campaign instead. I've already started creating one here, and we'll see that I've got my heading, I've got an image, a little bit of text and a button, and then I've got my footer here as well. This contains my unsubscribe link, my business information, and so on. Now, it's important that I have this in here, but I can't help but feel that this is a little bit close to the rest of the contents of the email. I'd rather space this out just a little bit more. And I can do that now very easily by using this space element from the elements panel on the left-hand side. So I can click and drag this into place just like so. And then on the left-hand side, I can increase or decrease the amount of space I'm adding in by sliding this slider left to right until I've got the spacing just right. And I can see that taking effect here in the preview. I can go ahead and save that once I'm happy with the amount of space I've added. And now I am good to go. So hopefully this has been a useful video showing you how you can get the perfect amount of space in the contents of your email templates. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. If you want to dive deeper into what we just covered, make sure to check out the related help documentation. Also, for more videos like this one, make sure to head over to the Content Army playlist here on the HighLevel YouTube channel, as well as the Did You Know blog over on the HighLevel website. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's next.